Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In my channel Follow and Speak, we learn English communication using simple basic English grammar. In the last session we learned use of modal auxiliary can. In today's session we are going to learn how to use the modal auxiliary may. Let's check. So may as a modal auxiliary is used to take permission. We use this modal auxiliary to mean possibility, and we also use this modal auxiliary to express our wish. Now let's learn with example and also follow the sentence format for making sentences using this modal auxiliary may. Please keep following. So let's follow the example and try to learn from that. Yes, check the example. May I check your answer? In this sentence we are taking permission from someone to check his answer. Let's note the sentence format. Modal auxiliary will be placed at the beginning of the sentence. Just checked, I have placed the modal auxiliary at the beginning of the sentence. Then subject will come. Just note the subject has been used. After that main verb will come. Yes, as a main verb I have placed check. Okay, then object will come. Yes, your answer is the object. And one more thing to notice, that is, please place a question mark at the end of the sentence. So the sentence format is modal auxiliary, subject, main verb, object with question mark, and the example is may I check your answer. So following the same sentence format, you also can make your examples. May I go with you? I am also following this sentence format to make this example. May I sit down here? May I start giving answer? May I follow that rule? So in all the sentences we are asking for permission using the modal auxiliary may. You can also deny permission. How to do that? If someone says, or if someone asks for permission from you, suppose somebody is saying, may I go with you? And you don't want to give permission to him. What will you say? No, you may not. That means, no, you may not go with me. So you can also give permission and also permission using this modal auxiliary may. Now let's learn another use of this modal auxiliary, that is to express possibility or to mean possibility. Let's learn through example. So please note the example and then learn how we can use this modal auxiliary may to mean possibility. Let's check the example. It may take more time. That means there is a possibility of taking more time. And let's follow the sentence format, and that means the sentence construction. Yes, subject will be placed at the beginning. Just check, I have placed the subject at the beginning of the sentence. Now modal auxiliary will come. Yes, may has been used as modal auxiliary. Verb will come. Just check, I have used the main verb here. Then object will come. Yes, more time is object. So we can easily make more example, more sentences following this particular sentence format to mean possibility. Let's make more example. It may rain today. He may come tomorrow. She may help you. I may go with you. So in all the sentences I am trying to mean possibility. That means there is a possibility of happening that particular act or action. Now let's learn another use of this modal auxiliary, that is to wish. Okay, that is to express our wish. Let's learn through example. Note the example of using modal auxiliary may. May you reach your goal. I am expressing my wish that you may reach your goal. And let's note the sentence format. Modal auxiliary, yes, modal auxiliary will be placed at the beginning. Yes, just notice that I have placed the modal auxiliary at the beginning of the sentence. Then subject will come. I have placed the subject after modal auxiliary. Then main verb will come. Just note, main verb has been used. Then object will come. And don't forget to use the sign of exclamation here at the end of the sentence. The sentence is, may you reach your goal. So you can make your example sentence following the same sentence format. May you succeed in the exam. May you qualify in that test. May you score more marks. Okay, and we can also pray to God for someone using this model auxiliary may. Let's take an example. May God give you longer life. May God fulfill your desire. So in this type of sentences, we are using may to pray to God for someone. So may is an important model auxiliary by using which we can make lot of sentences to mean possibility, to express our wish, to pray to God, and to ask for permission, and also to deny permission. So I hope all of you will practice a lot. You will make a lot of sentences. So please take up your pen and start writing the example and also start speaking. Okay, and I hope all of you will be able to make a lot of sentences, to construct a lot of sentences using this model auxiliary may. So it's all for today. Let's meet in another session with a new model auxiliary. Thank you very much. Thank you for observing my session.